working, and that's on the way. And we can be successful. I'm looking at my next operation because it's the same. I'm looking at
After losing their firstborn child, Luke and his family are worried Aaliyah could be facing similar health issues.
Oh, see, now she's ready to wait.
You ready? Oh my God.
Good girl. There you go. Get ready. Here he comes. Here it comes. Oh. Oh, dang. Bring it. Come here. Bring it here.
You take care of that?
Yeah, good girl, huh? Good girl. Yeah, drop it.
I'll give you one more if you
Drop it. Drop it. Drop the ball.
Okay,
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You liking this new dog machine, all this ball throwing machine, aren't you?
You're supposed to be doing this. Well, fucking wearing me out, man. It's supposed to be you doing it.
Well, eventually I will teach her
I'm
it.
sure she'll be able to get that.
I think so. Okay, here we go, girl. Let's get ready to go. All right. Yeah, look at you. Woohoo! Good girl. Come here. Bring it here. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Dad didn't waste his money this time.
That was a good
Probably. Oh my God.
Everybody's slamming the wall. She's so smart.
She got it figured out now. The only problem is when the ball gets real wet, it sticks.
She lost it. Ah, she found another. Even if it hits her, she's having.
You ready for another one, or are you getting tired? Here we go. Ready? She's so exhausted. Good girl. You ready for another one? You ready? Drop that one. Put it down. Ready? Here we go. Oh, hold on. Okay, ready? Go get it. Go get it. Why are you barking at me? Are you tired? Did I wear you out? Oh, to goodness. Okay, one more. Last one. If this doesn't wear her out, I don't know what will. Come on. Drop it.
Yeah.